Wow, I got in just in the nick of time. We might have a gold trade in a second. Yeah. Other timer is a little bit shady, but that's beautiful. 3 touches. Closure below. Where would my stops be? Up there, 1712.2. Probably what I'm gonna look for. So yeah, 1710. I think the retracement back to the support 1710.2. Good. Stop loss above would be 1712.2. Look to target 1705. Down there. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Holy shit, that's loud. So yeah, looking good, looking good. Let's take a look here. You can take the sell, yeah. Retrace it to there. 1710. If you can get there. So yeah, hopefully you get around right around there, 1710 area would be nice. That would be good. No, don't go without us, boy. Ah, you prick. Fuck yeah, I've got a lot to get past, to be fair. Well, fuck. Gold sells perhaps? Yeah, that's what I was looking at. We'll see. I think we've probably missed it though, unfortunately. We'll see if we can get a retracement still at the 15 and stuff. Yeah, it'll be the 50-minute top wick, 'cause I still quite like it, to be honest with you. If you get there. Because then it'll be a retracement of the 15 and stop loss will be above the previous 15, so that'll be good. Morning, morning. Show me, boy. Come on, get up, boy. 1710, like that. Nice. Morning, morning, everyone. Yeah, I'll do analysis in a second. I'm just. Ah, oh, fuck off this trend line, man. Fuck off. Ah! Give me a goddamn top wick there. Which time frame holds most priority flips? 4 hour or 1 out of 30? Well, higher time frame, right? In terms of this, right, 1 touch, 2 touch, closure below, top wick, didn't give us a top wick and continued. So unfortunately, I think I've missed the move. And we've also came down to first TP, which is here. So yeah. That's a bit of a shame. So yeah, I've deleted it now. I think because in terms of take profits and stuff, this is TP1, and we've just hit it. And I wanted to get in like there. So yeah, that's a bit of a shame. And now we've probably got to wait for fucking 15 hours. Bloody give me a top wick. Look at them, both of them candles there. Lordy. But anywho, let me just go through Forex Factory as well. Yeah, I saw the trend line. I was driving in the car. I was like, oh my god, I need to get back. Yeah, I had to drive Kate into the airport. 2 seconds. So yeah, let's do a fresh analysis then on these pairs. Yeah, oh my god, yesterday this fucking wick was so close to tapping me in. Oh, it was like 1 or 2 pips to get into this sell. OB to the left hand side, launch 220 pips. My god. Okay, let's take a look at GJ. Looking like Asian session was rather shit. Yeah, how are people doing this week? I think a lot of people are doing pretty bad, to be honest with you. I've seen a lot of people, I think Rajit like 5 L's yesterday. It's a little bit harder. But anywho, let me just go to this. So yeah, daily time frame closed bearish. We've really rejected these highs now, which is great. So potentially sells really today. 4-hour time frame broke past this level, looking like it's retracing, and to maybe continue the sells back down. Take a look at the price action. 30-minute looks very shit in terms of price action. 15 also looks pretty shit, if I'm honest. That can work too. Yeah, so yeah, in terms of where I'd want to take trades, yeah, we're kind of limited on GJ again, but it's just what's happening right now. The price action isn't the nicest. In terms of taking buys, it'd probably be above there, 167.320, because that's previous support here, previous resistance there. I think that could be pretty good. Yeah, break even after break even after break even, literally this week. Obviously we have a support at 166.070. Let's take a look at sells below. We've got a 060. Yeah, it's a big support obviously because it's right before 166, which is a little bit annoying. Okay, let's take a look at gold. So gold is coming to retest right now. It's got no low wick on the 5-minute, which is interesting. I'm just trying to think. Look at this 50-minute time frame. It's not that bad, you know. I might go for it because the stop actually might be pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna go for it because what's happening here is the 15 minutes making the top wick to then potentially continue. So I've got into a trade over here. 50 minutes making the top wick. Taking a sell. Actually, let me just record this. The reason why I also like it is something I'll tell you in a second. But we're coming to retest the previous level, which is good. We've done that now. And it's actually based on the 15 more so. The 15 obviously closed below. We should fill that zone. In terms of stop losses, obviously my stop is here, sorry. 22 pips. And targeting obviously back down to these lows. Now in terms of this trade, what I also liked is the 5-minute here pushed up to my level with no bottom wick. So the probability that it makes a bottom wick is still quite high, and then also when we still flip that level, then I can go break even. So that'd be good. Obviously the 50 minutes got 8 minutes left. It's still got a lot of time in the candle, which is great. Which is great. So yeah, I'll be 2 minutes. I'm just gonna quickly go to the toilet. But yeah, there's my entry. Morning, brother. Morning, everyone. So yeah, which time frame holds? Yeah. time frame is much better. I had 5 trades this week, 4 W's, 1 L, but for me, it's like nothing when I make. Yeah, 100%, Tom. 100%. 100%. Do, 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 do. 15's got 5 minutes left. See how this closes as well. But for the most part, it's based on the 30. Even though I'm using 15 stops because there's no point for any more stop up there. 2%. Very nice. Very nice. Paper trade? No, I'm in it. Because it's also, for me, it's also a closure back in the zone and a retest. That's why I also like it. So if I can get the retest of this 30-minute time frame, even better. What's GJ doing right now? GJ is looking nasty. GJ is looking nasty. In terms of price action, yeah. Let's take a look at news then today. So 7 o'clock. Oh shit. That's a 20 minutes time. Okay, I kind of want this goal to finish until then. Got 20 minutes left though. Member Waller speaks. Why is that so early? I don't know what place that is that they're talking. Hi, should we not wait until we break the 50-minute low? If you want to. But that would make your stop loss huge, and yeah, you wouldn't get the retest. Are you in? Oh my god, yes, I am in. Have I ever put on a thing here and said that I'm not in? No, I always say I'm in. So let me just move my 4 hours and that.
Morning, Max.
Morning. How you doing?
I'm all good, mate. All good.
Good stuff.
I'm ready for the day.
100%, man. See how today goes.
Yeah. Was it FOMC later?
There's actually someone speaking in 20 minutes, which I've
Is it just that?
Yeah. Later on, there's someone speaking as well at 5:30. Yeah. And CPI at 1:30. Yeah.
CPI today, sorry. That's what's going on.
Yeah. CPI.
Mate, I had that order block marked out yesterday.
Me too.
But I didn't fucking mark my chart up. So I had like a zone. Yeah. By the time I fucking worked out what the fucking zone was, the fucking thing hit it and fucking launched.
Oh man, I know.
I'm like looking, I'm like, what the fuck is this?
Same thing for me, man. Yeah, it was hella nice. So close to the thing.
I didn't have it as an OB. I guess it was because I had it as like it was like an untested area where it had broken. Obviously, it was an OB.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah, nice. Oh, it's 5 minutes reacted off my level. Flipped it. Okay. How did you know the time left of the candle? Oh my fucking god, that is a retarded question. How did you know the time left in the candle? Because I know how to read the clock. Yeah. My only worry for this now is that fucking news, man. When is there ever gold news in the morning?
Yeah, seriously.
Yeah. I had to go drive Caitlin to the airport, and on the way home I saw the fucking trend and I was like, oh my god. And wow, yeah, this news might come over. Wow, fucking great. we'll see anyway. How to read the clock. How do you know the time left of the candle? Just look here. It literally tells you here. Literally tells you there. Let me check something. So in terms of the 15-minute, yeah, come back to that support. We'll see. But yeah, it's a bit of a shame that this news is coming out in fucking 15 minutes, to be honest. Also got a clean closure below. Yeah, that's what it was based off, especially in the 15 retest. But look at this, man. This fucking news, bro. It's getting ready for something. I wonder what they're speaking about. Let's take a look. What speaks? You just speaking essential.
Talking about your trade, Max.
Yeah, probably. In Queensland, wait, digital. Speak about central bank digital currencies at Queensland. Ah. In Brisbane. Interesting. Also got a clean candle. Got into that trade as well before. Yeah, man. As long as it respects the previous, but that volume is madness right now. Let's take a look at. Nah, GD's still doing fuck all. Hi bro, hello. So that was great. I had about fucking 30 seconds at entry, and then we've just rallied all the way. Yeah, man, I wouldn't be in this trade if the fucking news is in. Oh, that's annoying, man. 7 AM. Will you manage risk now? 50 fake out. You can do, yeah, whatever you want to do. I mean, in terms of this now, it's pretty fucked, to be honest. So you can, if you want to. For me here, I still think it's closed still below this 15 support, so. But in terms of, yeah, the 15 now, it's closed bullish. You can manage risk now. Morning. Yeah, what the fuck? It's a fake out breakout. If it closed a little bit high, 100%, but it didn't really, so that's why I'm keeping mine on. But there is news in 15 minutes or so, so it ain't looking good, bruv. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ, give me something, boy. No. I close 60%. Yeah. Yeah, this is gonna continue. Fuck's sake. I have to close in a second. Re-breaks this high. Probably gonna move my stop to there, yeah. So 1711.5. So yeah, I've moved my stop now here. Saved me a couple pips. In terms of it now, it's not looking good. It's made the lower wick, so it's gonna launch, I think. I think it's gonna hit your stops, bro. Why the sad face for, bro? Okay, GJ's coming up. GJ breaking maybe Asian highs. In terms of the zone above, though, is there any OBs? Let's take a look. That come hit it there? Yeah, already did. Already hit it. Can you see any OBs, Manuel? It's kind of hard. This is chubby as fuck down here.
No, not at the moment.
Yeah.
I just got up. I'm just still charting gold.
I can't believe that gold OB last night. Oh my god. Well, maybe not last night, like 3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Literally came within like a pip of my entry.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be like 220 pips.
I think it was 1.7 or 1.8 on my terminal.
Yeah. That's madness. Yeah, I'm looking at my terminal here on the 1 minute on gold, and my god, the candles up there all gapping. So, yeah, it's clearly something.
Yeah, NT5 is ugly. On that, you have on my case, my god, I have holes everywhere.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
So yeah, probably stay away from Goldie after this trade because of the news at 7. This FOMC member speaking about cryptocurrencies and stuff, digital currencies. It's quite big. Which I fucking wish I knew before. Ah, it's annoying. Prick. When does it ever happen at 7 AM, man? It's because they're in fucking Australia. Why are you there, bro? Yeah, in terms of zones above on GJ, my god, I can't really see anything on here. She's nasty. Shit's hella nasty.
Why the fuck is CPY at 8:30 in the morning?
I know.
What the fuck?
Oh no, 1:30. No, that's always there.
No, not at 8:30 a.m. CPY normally is at 1:30 p.m.
Yeah, it is.
It's our
'cause
lunchtime.
It's because your clock's wrong.
My clock's wrong? What the fuck do you mean,
Like,
Maxi?
they keep on changing the date here.
This is the first time this fucking shit happens to me.
So hopefully
Oh,
this.
it's 1:49 a.m. Oh,
Yeah. So hopefully this is the 30-minute top wick.
So Goldie now, if Goldie closes below this the trend line, I would keep my position open. I did not enter when you got because I was sleeping, so I just charted up. And when I was looking at the 1 minute, when it rejected, it's not an OB, but the candle opened and the next one opened and pushed down. So you have there a weird, small weird hole in the middle, I would say, which it rejected on the 1 minute. So might be good.
Your boy.
But this was for Lisbon. What the fuck?
I know. That's why I don't really check like the gold in the morning because like you know it's what the fuck happens.
Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh yes, 130. Okay.
High up and down in EURUSD at 7 AM. Back to entry, yeah. I quite like it now. The time frame is going to be flipping. In terms of if you want to manage risk, you can just close your break even now because obviously the news is coming out. I quite liked it though. I like the rejection. I like this 30-minute that's made the top wick. So.
Hey!
Hello, Finny boy. Did you take the gold pies before?
Yeah. I was just trying to stir everyone up.
You're such a cunt.
Well, I actually did. I still got in. I did take it, but I thought it was going to fake out trend line, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it was a big fucking push, eh? I'm a bit cautious about this fucking news from in Aussie land. You guys fucking us up.
Aussie land.
In Aussie land. But, it should be okay now. I like the 30-minute rejection from the previous zone. So we'll see. Where did you get in, Finn?
After that ball in golfing, I only just got 10.
Yeah.
It did. It held that 3-minute though at the top there.
Yeah, I was thinking of that. That's why I was thinking if my stock comes any higher, yeah, I'll just close it. But it held
If
it.
it broke the highest now, you'd fucking get out.
You guys mentioned you were in the buy and go. Where did you get in? At the OB?
Yeah. No, just
no.
after it. Just after. Didn't quite get in there, but just after.
Actually, yeah, that's nice. And is it on the 5 or anything? Oh, it's
No,
on
the 3 minute.
I thought
Three's
higher
bad.
time frame. Like if you go on the 4 hour,
Mm-hmm.
I thought we were ready to fucking fly.
Yeah, after that 4-hour res, it gets above there. I think it should be good. Yeah. I close a break even. We'll see what happens with the news. Yeah. Wanted to just push a little bit more, and I think we could be good. Because the 30 minutes will close you back in the zone.
Technically, it's respecting the trend line because this 5 minutes just goes below the trend line again.
Yeah.
So we might have a rejection again on the trend line, come up, reject trend line, and then push down. Because we don't have a top wick on this 5 minutes.
Mm-hmm. How will the news react? Yeah, well, there'll be someone speaking, right? So this is 5 minutes making a top wick. Change these
Cryptos went to shit.
But still.
I don't know. I have not checked them yet today. I know that they went to shit yesterday.
Yeah.
That my guy up there, he was saying, Manel, buy the shit, buy, it's gonna go down, you be prepared to buy.
Take a bye. Okay, guys, once you get this little push, I'm just gonna go break even. It's getting close to news now. Yeah. I'm going break even. If it hits me out, great. I don't really care too much because of the fact that there's news later on, right? Sorry, there's news in 4 minutes. So. Sparkle B, your win rate is currently low, but my losers are small, so I don't care. Yeah, I got out of break even there, guys. Yeah, I still think, in terms of if I wanted to hold it on longer, I probably would have if it wasn't for the news. And also, you need to remember, I also trade NY as well. But yeah, this is so far, win rate quite low, but oh shock, I'm still positive because my losers are small. I actually need to add another break even here. Fucking hell. These break even, that one there, and there, both went to 9 pips profit, 10 pips profit. So that was kind of annoying. The one yesterday was at res as well, but I thought we could push past it. Let's look at October.
Who's the one that takes a lot of BEs? Is this Finn?
Yeah.
Or Stevo?
I'm coming up with the 4 break evens already. Last month I had 3, but I'm pretty sure they were quite further on in the month. Yeah, they were.
Yeah, last month you have 3. This month has just started.
I know. A lot, but it's just the market conditions, right?
Yeah.
So.
Talk about it, yeah. Better to have BEs than to have losses.
100%.
People don't understand that, then, well. Don't put the B. Let your stop loss be.
100%.
You'll learn a lesson.
Let's see if this gold continues. Hope it does. Well, it'll go one way or the other, right? But it's not for me to decide where price is going to go now if there's news.
can mark up next trend line.
Yeah, I got it. I don't even fucking jotted up gold. All I did was fucking look at that trend line. Let's take a look here. There's one down there.
Yeah, that's the one I have. That's the one I want. Yeah, like that. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 touches.
I only got 2 touches. That one doesn't touch.
Yeah, the two candles are both together and they close.
They're
at
pretty
the same
close.
position. Yeah, they are. Yeah.
Bitcoin on the way back to 10k. So, yeah. Let's see if this gold can continue. Bit of a head and shoulders as well, which is nice. Bro, analysis for GJ. Yeah, I'll do that in a second. Yeah, the trend line before Manuel was good, but my fucking god, it didn't give you the top wick, which is a bit annoying. Where was it? Yeah, there. This one closed below. Kind of didn't really close below the support either, which is a little bit annoying. But
no, it did on the 3 minutes. It closed right on it, and then the next candle wicked up a little bit, touched the trend line, and then pushed down.
Yeah.
That happened on the 3 minutes. But you need to be very, very fast because when the 3 minute closes, the 5 minute is still open. So when the 5 minute closed, the 3 minute had already done the top wick and then pushed down a little bit. So one has to be very, very used to see the 3 minutes and the 5 minutes combined when watching this trend line.
Yeah, 100%.
Because you could have been seriously fucked here if you would take an entry on the 3 minute, not wait for the 5. The 5 would close above the trend line. Then you would be in the trade too early.
Yeah, 100%. So there's Goldie. Goldie would have worked, but in terms of my situation there, this is the news, right? This is the news pushing me, making me profit, not a trade. So that's fine. So let me just mark up Goldie in terms of where I want it to go and stuff. So daily time frame bullish, 4 hour time frame bearish right now, looking like it does have some clear resistance at the highs, which we found out before when it came to it, pretty much. Hourly time frame looking like, oh, we had a big spike. Oh, that was the last day. In terms of it, yeah, so we've got a big, that was actually quite a nice OB there as well. Shit, 1712, nice. Hourly time was just closed bearish, got no top wick, but looking like it's nutting, which is nice. Also 30-minute celery play, 15-minute push as well, good stuff. And yeah, we're coming towards our next little level over here, so that should be pretty good to take a trade maybe. Our next trend line.
Yeah, I don't see any OBs down or below the trend line to fuck us up, to be honest.
Yeah.
The area looks a little bit shitty to the left. If we break below 7 a.m. pre-London, we might get the push down.
Yeah.
But I think I would like to have this the candle that closed below the trend line below 07.68. Because that's a clear support I have.
0768, yeah.
07.68.
This hourly's got no top wick, which is kind of annoying as well. In terms of sells below as well, later on, we came actually tapped 1700 pretty much yesterday, didn't we? We got pretty close. There's current support, 1703. So yeah, we're just in a little bit of consolidation range now. I saw the buys yesterday, 130, 115, nice little pushes up. And then look at this, oh my god. Madness. Solana to $0. So yeah, in terms of GJ now, 15 close bearish, 5 minutes pushing down. The zone is ridiculous. Hourly close bearish, well, looking like resistance forming, right? Take a look at the 4 hour, doing the same thing. GJ faked out, yeah. It's just, look at that 50 minute though, close, nowhere near anything that's interesting. And then nuts. Gold, please. Oh my god. People today, the gulag. I just discussed gold. I like the 30-minute closure back in the zone. Top wick flip. Nice, but unfortunately there's news right now, so I'm leaving it alone for the time being. Until we pass over it. Let's take a look at EJ as well.
Took EJ from my fast.
You what?
I took EJ from my terminal.
Yeah, that looks shite.
I've taken it for a couple of weeks about it.
Look at all that. Yeah, I would take the EJ trade ages. Yeah, the charts don't look the nicest. This week's been fucking boring, right? So many break-evens.
Yeah, last week with news, this week with peace.
Yeah, well, this week with elections, isn't it?
I wonder what the fuck is coming next week.
I know. So this week, I have taken 3 wins, 2 losses, 4 break-evens? Yeah, 4 break-evens. Was there any area to sell GG when it was pushing hard? Yeah, I mean, I think this break of the low there was quite nice, 30-minute break there, but it was, you know, an impulsive trade. It was hourly celery play, which was nice. Quite like that. That's actually quite a good level to target later on, because the retest there hasn't been tested. So that could be nice later on for buys. I love how this hourly, no target, not straight to level. Beautiful. Broken the low as well. I'm just a bit cautious of this zone, if I'm honest, and I want this hourly to make at least a top wick. Got 10% Goldie? Nice. Make sure you like the stream, guys, if you haven't already. 200 people in the building. I feel this week has served people with impulse entries. It's been impulse entries, but it's also being arranged before the impulse. So you would have probably lost money even taking the impulses because so many. Is Forex going to end in 2025?
Oh my god, seriously?
Not this again.
Oh my god. Raj spoke about it a lot on Twitter. It's gonna end on 2026. And then he came to a point that he said, oh, if you say something and people start to believe it, it will actually happen.
New world currency, oh my god. Yeah, all these countries are gonna use the same currency. How they fuck.
They cannot even work together as countries. How the fuck will they make one currency? How?
It's if everyone got along, but no one got along. And also just for transaction of goods and stuff. Just doesn't make sense. Nice Tom. Little cheeky shit.
Goldie is breaking this 5 minutes.
Ah, there's no top work on the hourly, man. For fuck's sake. How big would you stop speeding that?
I'll use this 5, so if this 5 closes below where I want, it will be 0.95, 0.97, about 15 pips ish.
There's the third touch.
Yeah, that's the third touch.
I really, really hope this doesn't close and it comes back up here, makes top wick, fucks around, then closes below, and then I'll have it.
Soon we're gonna trade stones.
Yeah, exactly. Well, there's something to trade. There's always something to trade. Yes, we'll do another simulation today. Later on, we'll do the 5-minute trend line. Try and finish maybe January because it was rather boring. But we've only got a couple of days of that, and then we'll probably do the one before it. I think because I think February was it was the war month, so I might go back. I might do December. Or if you've done December, then I'll do November. Yeah, that's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. Just look at this week so far. Yeah, so up 2.2% for this week. It's not the best, but it's something. It's something. And actually, to be honest with you, with 3 of my trades getting around about 1%, or not 1%, like 0.7%. Yeah, so it's just the break-evens have been a little bit annoying because they've all gone 8 pips, 9 pips. Apart from that one didn't. I keep on gold 17.16 yesterday. Ah, that OB above, man. Let's take a look then at potential. Is there any OBs on gold? Did you say? It doesn't look like there is any, is there? Very choppy. This Asian session was ass, wasn't it? Damn. In terms of support and resistances, even above 17.12 there isn't going to be the best. 17.15 back above there would be nice. That would be nice. Seconds left for this 5 minutes. So in terms of me closing there, and I was like, oh Max, it ran down after. Yeah, but it could have easily have gone the opposite way if this person started talking. So for me, that trade, if I know there's a 50-50 chance right here of me making money and losing money, then why would I take it? So always don't get worked up with that. It's a very painful thing to do. If you go, oh man, next time I'm just gonna hold it. What you're basically saying is next time I'm gonna hold a trade that has a 50-50 chance of working out because of the news there. So you have to, if I have a 50-50 chance, there's no point in me taking the trade. I'd rather just take it off, right? This is a 50-50 chance of working out. There's no point. I close at the very top of the pullback. I'd happily taken break even. Yeah, Dan. That's why I kept right on, because it was still support right here, and also the 30-minute still hadn't broken the high of the previous, and it was just the top wick of it. That's why I still held it on. But I minimized it after that, after it started to close there. Still look at this trend line. For me, the trend line didn't close below yet. Still. Oh, fucking hell, GJ, Goldie. Sell gold 17.16, kept it on. Oh, nice. You kept it on overnight, maybe? Very good. Very nice. Yeah, I think, in terms of trades on GJ this week, there's only been that one real nice one, hasn't there? Where was it? That W is nice up there, actually. The fuck was it? What day was it? Oh, here, 600 level. Yeah, that sell there was nice. That was beautiful. That was actually good there at 230. That 50-minute bearish closure, break of the low, stop loss above. How big was that stop? 17 pepperoonies. You like this 3-minute on what, gold? Yeah, it's got no bottom wick. For me, it didn't close above, below. But yeah, 3-minute, look at that retracement now. No bottom wick, but for me, it's still above that trend line. Still holding it. Still holding the trend line. So we've got, yeah, still got 45 minutes. Still got a lot of time. It's still bright and early in the morning, so look at that daily time frame. If I was looking at this daily time frame, I'd be like, why? It's making the top wick to maybe flip later on, eh? That would be for me. The daily time frame. Let's take a look then, do analysis. If it, oh, it's actually closed below everything. Ah, yeah, this is gonna know. So look at the weekly time frame. Oh my god. Yeah. 12,000 inbound. If you want to get, if you want to know a bit more about crypto and stuff, always look at Ted's stories in terms of him speaking as well. Interesting. See, look at this. No government is going to allow the average person to hold some magical digital crap and allow them to benefit from it. It's so true. They're going to take it away from you. Stop thinking that the world is changing. The same players run the game. You're just being fooled into thinking there's a change happening. 100%. Obviously, at the start, when crypto came out, of course you can do it because they don't know about it. But now it's very obvious. You know, you're not going to be making any money anytime soon. Yeah, this FTX investment, all of their money that they had in, they've like reinvested and lost it all. Fucking retards. Yeah, look at this here. If I were an intelligence agency and I was concerned my adversaries were using crypto to launder funds, how would I stop that exactly? First, I'd find the central bank casting idea of a tech founder, MIT dropout finance, cargo shorts, long hair, sleep on beanbag kind of guy. Madness. 5-minute hold and support for me. 15-minute on GJ closed very strongly bearish. It's just tapped into a 15-minute OB. You see here? So that would put me off taking the sells. Look on the lower time frames. Can you find any? Further. How big is this stop? 15 pips? Fuck. Ain't that bad. See how that reacts there. Just do a little paper trade then on an OB. See how it works. So probably just push in this level. Stop loss below 12 pips. Aiming to come back there for 12 pips and continue further.
Max, do you like the 15-minute retest on gold or not?
Let's take a look. Yeah, it's nice, eh? I do like it.
No bottom wick yet.
Yeah, and the fucking 30 minutes still got. How much would the stop be up here?
About 8. Yeah, if it's above the previous 15.
Yeah, I wouldn't do previous 15
risky.
because the hourly's got no bottom top wicks. It's likely to make it. That's the only issue. But
Right.
Manuel, are you getting in this retest?
No. I will only get when we close below trend.
The trend
Below
line,
the trend line.
100%.
Yeah.
Still holding it.
No. Yeah, now I'm eyeing black dead, and eyeing black dead. I want to retest or something like that because it's really holded this trend line.
Yeah.
If you close above it, it did not close below it. So.
Yeah. But I see what you
Yeah,
mean though, Foley. I like that 100%. I think if there was more confidence in terms of like there's more top wick in the hourly and we have some good kind of approach, I think it'd be nice. But my only issue is the 30. You can see the 30 doesn't look too good. The last one closed bullish. This one's wicked down. It could reflip and then fill the wick. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Be a little bit sus.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah. What was I gonna do? I was gonna say something. Oh yeah, my fucking tag. What did Ratchet put on? Did he put it on Twitter?
Yeah, it basically only posts on Twitter. I don't really like Twitter.
Yeah, I don't get it. I just don't get it. Wow, GJ worked. TP1 would have been hit there, nice. Live people in it. Run up, maybe back to the highs, 727. Very nice. That was a good order block as well. That's a pretty tasty one, eh? Tasty. Looking like gold's still holding. We'll have to see. I know. This whole world is. Who's let him go on? It's fucking ridiculous. Yeah, one of our MPs that fucking didn't stick to the rules is in it. I'm a celeb now. Oh my god. What the fuck? Madness.
Really is, isn't it?
You should only be allowed to go to into political until a certain age. It's like fucking driving a car. You can only drive until a certain age. After that, you cannot drive anymore.
Yeah.
For politics, it's the same. People, when they get old, they start to get senile.
Yeah, but at least Biden's got all of his brains intact. You know what I mean?
It's fucking marbles.
Literally nuts.
Yeah, did you be in jail? No, that's madness.
Gold people, what the fuck are you doing?
Well, did it.
Huh. There you go.
So look at the 1 minute. Oh my god. Look at GJ as well. Yeah, so looks like a lot of news volumes coming in. Very nice. He's fucking brain dead.
We'll go break even at this point.
100% if you got in.
No, it was only a small position.
Yeah. Go break even.
I did it the wrong way. I took it and then I asked you.
No. But that's in terms of a trade. I think that's a good trade. It's just for me, my worry was this fucking hourly top wick, and your stops might not have been saved. Did you use the stops there or stops there? There.
Where?
There.
There.
Oh, yeah, use that one. Yeah, fair. Nice. Trend line.
Mm.
Yeah, 3 minutes left. I'll have to see. The retest will be good though, because it'll be right at that level there, won't it?
Yeah.
1708.4.
And stops will be 9 pips.
See if you can hold it. 52 likes already. Amazing work. Yeah, this GJ is madness. Let's see who's profitable this week. To be fair, it's only Thursday as well, so we'll see how the next couple of things go. How do I do this? Are you profitable so far this week? Ah, the 4-hour support's right there. Ah, it's a bit annoying. My only cause of concern is look at the 4-hour now. 4-hour support is right there, man. The reaction off that is pretty big normally. Did it all yesterday. Is it? I suppose from the retest. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Will this stop safe 1709.5? We shall see. Daily's about to fit for bearish. That's true. Yeah, it's a little bit further away, so we'll see. Okay, so there be 1708.4. Okay, beautiful. So I'm gonna take a sell right here. Stop loss above. Do 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 do. Been a rough week. Oh, let's take a look at people in the chat. 50% profitable, 50% not. Yeah, I think people have found it hard, eh? Found it maybe a little bit hard. Break that low, you pussy. Break it! Break it!
Come on, bitch.
Okay, stop loss to break even here. Around about 6 pips. Maybe not yet. Let's wait a little bit longer. I want it to fucking actually push and not hit my fucking break even. Now there we go. Okay, coming towards TP1 as well. Around about 10 pips profit, which is great. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Go, you prick! There we go! Right, top TP1 hit. Very nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Right, I'm going to close 80% here at 12 pips. Beautiful work. Yeet! Fucking gang shit. Finally, a 5-minute trend line. That actually doesn't hit me break even. Okay, so beautiful stuff right at the daily flip.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Beautiful. And in terms of runners, guys, yeah, in terms of runners, we'll have to look over here, but it looks pretty good to continue further down. Let's look at the hourly. Only issue, obviously, is the 4-hour, but looking like we're breaking it. Daily's obviously flipped, which is great. So maybe back down to 1704. I think probably the midway part here is 1705, which is what I have on my signal. So that's where I'm going to target, 1705.5. So I actually closed. When we pushed there, I didn't have time. I closed, like, let's take a look here. Yeah, I closed it around about there, which is great.
www Maxi.
Very nice.
Yep, very nice.
And
Beautiful.
505.
Finally, Max.
Finally, a trend line that actually
Fucking hell.
fucking doesn't hit his break even.
Finally, we've got one that launched.
Yeah, it's a fucking stinker, that. Beautiful trade over here, called on the stream. 5-minute trend line, 24 pips in profit or so. Beautiful work. Dubs in the chat. Let's get it. I'm gonna close right here. Fuck it. 22 pips. Happy with it.
Yeah.
In terms of, yeah, and also because it's the 4 hour. I'm gonna do this.
Look at the 3 minutes where we are going to reject.
Mm-hmm.
Let's take a look. Yeah. To be fair, it's already hit it before for me. But pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. Wait, just out of curiosity, what makes you decide who to unmute in your paid group? No, they can all speak. Some people just don't want to speak, some people do want to speak. Everyone can speak. Yeah, I don't do that shit, hell no. I only mute people when they've got like a fucking drill in their background and I can't fucking hear myself. But everyone can speak. That's the whole point of the mentorship. That's why I say Zoom access for London, because you can actually speak to me and ask questions and shit. You're not just in the background muted. Hell no. Why would you pay for that? Obviously, NY session you can come on as well and speak to me about questions. But yeah. Beautiful, Adam. Good lad. Get some dubs in the chat, squad. 0 drawdown, pretty much. To the T. Get some fucking dubs. Easy work. Easy work. Easy, 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 easy. Okay, so yeah, beautiful work. I mean, in terms of, because your entry is quite high up, right? You know, you could hold it if you break the lows, but I think for me, I'm happy with my pepperonis over here. Goes right at that level. So let's just add this to the diary now, and just to show you how things work in terms of taking a winning trade and how to, you know, how. Because we do percentage risk, how that can help. Beautiful work. Look at that, straight to that OB as well, which is great. So yeah, just go through this. So in terms of taking profit, let me just actually measure where I took profit over here. So yeah, around about 14 for the first nut, and then the second one was 22. Okay, so if you go to here now, we'll do this calculator just to show you how it works and how I get the actual true values on my thing. So 14 times by 0.8 plus 22 times 0.2. Okay, because 80% of my position was closed at 14, and 22 pips was at the 20% left, right? So then my true value is 15.6. So then when we go here and I write what happened, I'll show you here. 725. We go on the 10th. Gold. Sell. Black. Ted. Oh shit. Retest. 5 minute. So stop loss, let's just actually see what the stop loss was on the actual signal so we can get it correct. It was 11 pips. Okay, see here, 11 pips. Close 80% at around about 30, 14. Like that. Did I do 13 in the calculator or 14? 14, okay. And then closed full at 23 or 22. I think it was 22. So overall, what we just did, this is the real column, this one here, total pips secured, because this is the actual true value of what we did. It wasn't 22, was it? It was 14 80% of 14, and 20% of 22, right? This is how you get the actual true value, okay? So you do this, W, great stuff, put it down, and there we go, 1.98%. So there you go, right? Look at my winners, look at my losers for this month. If you came onto this, you'd be like, wow, this is bad, this is quite a bad month. But I'm already up nearly 3%, only because my winners, can you see here, 1, 2, 3, you know, my winners are big, and a lot of my losers, even though some of them are quite big, the losers are very, very small. And obviously, when charts get better again, and I can start to take loads of them, these wouldn't be break-even. These will be, you know, 1.7, 1.4, 1.4, 1.4. And because, unfortunately, because of the news, we didn't really get much pushes, especially in the times. Like, pre-NY was kind of shit. And then obviously look at October, and then obviously when you have a really good win rate, then it's great as well. But look at my losers as well. They're still small. They're still really, really small. So it's just how to balance it, man. I always talk about it again and again, the equity curve, right? If I draw my equity curve for the past month, right? This is percentage gained. Shit, 1 second. This is percentage gained, like this. Percentage gained on this side. Obviously, last month we got 17%. So okay, it came all the way to 17%, like there, right? Great stuff. Now, the start of this month was quite hard. Look, I took 4 L's in a row, and people were like, oh my god, 4 L's, he's washed, he's washed. Okay, so 4 L's, so I was doing this, but can you see? Minus 0. So I got a win, 0.96, then an L. The first 2 L's got covered by the win. Then this L obviously didn't. This obviously didn't. So I had maybe a little bit of a drop like this. Okay, and then for the next couple of days, kind of just did this, and now we're starting to do this again. Okay, so what you've got to be able to do is do something like this when price is bad, and be able to know how to manage risk and, you know, keep your money, keep your bullets, and instead not doing this, right? When this month starts, maybe take L, minus 1.4, minus 1.4, no managing of risk, blah, blah, blah. Then very quickly you'll find out that you'll actually be very, very close back down to last month. And you don't want that, because that isn't growth, that's break even. So most break even traders are traders where they have a good month and then a bad month, and it just looks like this, a triangle. What you've got to do is know that it's a bit of a harder month and just sit into this level here. And then once you start getting, you know, good price action and your entries are starting to work again without taking, you know, little smaller losses, then, you know, your curve will start again, and it does this. That's how it is. So yeah, I need a spreadsheet. Go on Don's thing. I'll do it actually. But I'll show you how to do it. So it's Don. He's actually there. Go here and then look at that free spreadsheet journal. There you go. Put it in the chat now. Okay, so let's just continue. Let's take a look at the chat. So you guys, if you have any questions about that, then make sure to ask me and stuff. And yeah. In terms of GJ, has anyone found any entries? Like maybe a little W is going to form here. I don't really see too much apart from maybe an OB up there. What is the win rate of the 5-minute trend lines? You'll have to go through it, but it's pretty high. When did we start doing them? Started like looking at them in August. Yeah, some of these weren't refined though, so it's kind of like it's hard to see. But from what we know now in terms of support and resistances and where to take them, if there's OBs below, don't do them. If there's etc, then I'd say probably from October. So Black Ted here, so let's just take a look, right? Let me just add them all. They all here, okay, so 1 win, 2 win, 3 win. 4 win. This is a B-Tech one, so there's something wrong with it, so I'm not going to count that one. As in, like, there must have been a res there. So 4 wins there out of 4. And then November, 1 L, 1 win, break even, 1 win. So like 7 wins, 1 loss, and then like 3 break evens, all went 9 pips in profit. So 4. Do you still take the 5-minute trend line on GJ? No, I haven't backtested it, but I think people will. How to handle a losing streak? Just like I said, man. If you have a losing streak, that doesn't mean anything, right? It doesn't mean anything. It's what I always say is stop thinking in the gratification. I actually was reading a book yesterday, which is very, very interesting, about how humans as a whole, when we were back in the day, we normally look, and we've been kind of conditioned to have instant gratification, right? So like when you're hunting in the wild, you fucking hunt and then you eat, right? If you're doing all of these things back when you're like cavemen, you have the instant gratification because that's all you need. That's all that's important right now, survival, right? So it's been programmed in us to always think about instant gratification. Whereas now we don't have to do that really. But obviously it's still ingrained in you. So that's why, eating junk food or buying takeaways and not going to the gym and stuff, and and having a wank all the time. Like, instant gratification is so easily accessible now because life's much easier that you can be trapped. But what you need to do is kind of move into the system of kind of delayed gratification. Even though it's not as fulfilling at the start, when you actually get to the end, it's much better. I'll try and find the quote actually on the book, but it's basically the instant gratification. So things that you have instant gratification for normally tend to have worse. You tend to be worse off later on. Something happens. There's always a disadvantage to it. So, for example, if you start smoking, instant gratification smoking, obviously later on in time it's not as good. But the instant gratification, the thing why you're doing it, it's not affecting you right now later on, so that's why you do it. The opposite thing, though, right? If you work really hard at school, or you revise hard, there's no gratification at the start, but in the end goal is pretty good, right? Getting good grades. So it's kind of programming yourself to not think of the low time frame, right? The low time frame of your life. If you've taken 4 L's in a row, then that's fine. Are you going to be looking at that when you're up 10-20% at the end of the month? No, you won't give a shit. So it's kind of just how you focus on that. Hey mate, new to the group. When you say sell at, do you sell limits or is this market execution? Just trying to understand the trade. Yeah, Aaron, I'll just show you here, my man. I posted a thing about this, literally explaining that. Yeah, there we go. It's called updating clarification on signals. But basically, it's just take the sell there, and there's also leeway as well. So when I said today, sell at 1708.4, I don't actually mean 1708. That's probably the optimal if you can get, but if it's right there and it's 1708.3 or 2.5, then just fucking take it, okay? It's kind of like there's like a thing, but go watch that video and then you'll understand, my man. Max, can you also send signal if you are in? What? Oh, like after. Okay.
Problem of sending the signal when you are in, that people can get in too late, and then stop losses get too big, and the back end of it, people will complain that stop losses were too big and blah 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 blah. I think that would be the backlash of you sending a signal, be say 3 pips in profit, and then you send the signal, people get in at 4 pips in profit because it dumped a little bit more, and then the stop loss became from 15 to 19 or from 20 to 24.
That's true. 100%. What is the title of the book? It's called Atomic Habits. It's quite a big book. Yeah. Also, I've written out my schedule for the day, and I've realized like this is kind of hard. I thought my life's quite easy, but it's actually. I'll just show you the schedule that I've been doing for the past, I'd say around about week or so, and it's kind of killing me. But anyway, look at this. It's kind of the start. Every day, 5:15, 5:30. Obviously today I couldn't because I had to go fucking walk Caitlin, but I tried it this week. 5:30, 5:45. I've done yoga this week before the streams, and I actually quite like it, so that's pretty good. Then do the stream 5:45 to 9, and only cut off a little bit earlier recently. Stream, edit video, post Insta, TikTok. 9 to 12, physio exercises, read 20 minutes, healthy lunch. So you know what I mean, try and keep it in order. And then after 7 o'clock, which is quite a long time, then I'm free. I can do whatever I want. I can finally smoke my zoot. That's pretty much it. If I do all that, I think I could have a nice little smoke. Do you go to the gym? In my past life, yes. Right now, my rig is bad. I'll show you. This is what I looked like when I was 16. So I've got a good frame on me. I just gotta get ripped. Also, mine and Warren's chat. It's pretty gay. Yeah, that was me when I was like 16. So and I wasn't thin either. I wasn't skinny. Like I was pretty. Look at that, I'm fucking jacked, bro. Look at them abs. Look at them abgenetics, boy.
That was the time without no kebabs and Taco Bell.
That was when I was broke.
No Taco Bells.
That was when I was fucking broke, mate. I tell you, being broke has its advantages. You can't fucking buy food. So yeah, I've actually, do you know what I've done, especially this month? I have stripped back all money that I have, and the money that I earn, or that I can spend, is only the broker commissions. That's what I'm living off. So yeah. Just to come back to reality sometimes. Sometimes you, especially when you've got like quite a lot of money from trading, sometimes you get a little bit sidetracked from what your morals are and stuff. Like, why the fuck am I taking Ubers everywhere? I can just walk. It's stupid. It's just lazy, and it's just a waste of money. So I'm really trying to.
Goldie chart now, Max.
Yeah.
So we rejected that area on the 3 minutes that I told you.
Yeah.
Yeah. I took 10 pips out of it, and now I'm expecting gold to come to this area, 5 minutes, and it's also the retracement on the trend line.
Yeah. Sounds
that
good.
Might be
Sounds good. For your next TP.
Yeah, that's the TP for the entry that I have.
Yeah.
I'm BE already, and then if we come there and reject, I'll maybe take a sell.
Yeah. Here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes sense.
Manuel, where did you get your entry on gold? Just out of interest, was it on the 1 minute?
No, on the 3 minute.
3 minute.
Oh, on that 3 minute.
For me, Paul, just to put some kind. I know Manuel went for it, but for me, this one isn't valid because it's been mitigated there.
Yeah.
But
no, this
still,
was a risk.
Still a support, right?
Okay.
Look how many OBs though on this time frame. Like, let's just go for all of them, right? So, right, let's just take every single one I see because there's fucking millions of them. And this 3 minute in Asian. So like here, right, this is the change in direction. Oh shit. So this is an OB here. Okay, so when price comes back into that level, yeah, just take a fucking sell here. Stop loss above. There you go. 6 pip stop, 15, 14 pip gain at that level, great. Then obviously price reacts off. Then you've got an OB here. You can take this one from there to there, take the buy there, stop loss below there. TP could be back up to that resistance first, which is 12 pips. That's your 1-to-1, and then obviously you would have got a little bit more over here. 23 pips for the runner. Great stuff. Any other ones? Take a look. There's one there, which might have got break even, or might have had a bit of an L. Interesting. How do you identify order block? Go and check out that guy that I talked about, Damon Capital. He's got great description of it.
Here was also a nice entry. Here.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh my god, there's loads.
That was a very nice entry.
What time is that at? That was actually this morning, yeah, I was fucking driving. Yeah, that was a nice entry. Let's take a look at what other conferences you had. 50-minute push down, break and retest, maybe on the 15. Yeah. So the 3-minute OB saved me from my sell before. Interesting. We'll have to do a backtesting session on it soon, eh? 3-minute, 5 minutes.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Because they seem to happen a lot, and
that happened every fucking day.
and actually with the OBs as well, they're not. You don't have to really think of anything else. It's just they're always at fucking reses. You just take the sell straight away. You don't have to think of much more really. The only thing that you could probably worry about is is it news? Is news happening right now? Because then it normally just yeets past it. If gold breaks 1700, is it good for buys? Wait, what? Breaks 1700? I think you mean 17. I don't know what you mean. 1700 is down there. It's not. You mean good for sells? I think you mean good for sells, yeah. Yeah, I think so. I think 1703. Oh, I had a little fake out here at 1702. Let's take a look at the 15. Yeah, I think below 1703, 1702, this kind of area, I think could be good. Market structure makes quite, yeah, 100%. 68 likes, guys. Make sure you like the stream. We've taken 2 trades, 1 winner, 1 break even. Only 68 likes and 220 people here. Make sure to like, and also if you haven't already, make sure to come and follow my Instagram and like and share on that. I might be doing some giveaways soon. I'm gonna do some giveaways actually for Christmas for our group as well. So get ready for that. We'll do some fun giveaways.
Ooh.
Yeah, we'll do some fun giveaways. How did you come up with 1.4% risk per trade for yourself? It was just my sweet spot. Yeah. If I could manage risk, it's only a 1.2, 1.1% loss. If I let runners run and I get a nice push, I normally get to around about 2%. So it's just something that I'm comfortable with, like, as long as I can manage really. Basically, my biggest losses are going to be minus 1.4, right, overall. And if I can take that, then that's great. In terms of losers this month, if you actually take a look at the average is probably around about minus 0.5. That's pretty good. And my winners have been on average 1.4. Yeah, probably 1.4. How much do you have in your trading account? 140. It'll be 147 or something. 8 now. 148 maybe. I don't know because it isn't on this one. It's on my computer at home. And I just.
How much?
Yeah.
Do you still run the small account, Max?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I still run the small account. What I'm actually trying to do is I'm trying to make a because basically what I want to do is I want to make more YouTube videos. And I want to show them what Raj has done. So I'm gonna plan because I need to stick with it though. Because when we did it, like I showed it throughout the week and it was good stuff. But I actually need to do like the weekly summary. I think that's probably easier. So I think I might do that. Maybe in January or something. A full thing. In terms of the December and how we're gonna trade, I'm trying to think of what days, what one should we cut off.
Me? None. After what happened last year,
Yeah.
none. I won't cut one day. I'll be here every single day. Fuck that shit.
Yeah, I'll probably do until like maybe the 21st, maybe 22nd, and then this off, and then after I'll have this off as well, because the gap in the middle I'm pretty sure was shit. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31st, that's your week off. So that's where I'm going to try and book things for my friends, because the charts will be shit. It's perfect time to get stuff done there.
Yeah.
How many lost do you trade? It depends on the stops, man. It's not set. I don't use fixed, use percentage. So yeah. Go on holiday, Max. Last year GJ was cleaner than a nun's knickers. Oh my god.
Oh.
It was. It was good, GJ. Has anyone actually found a trade opportunity on GJ? That's been reasonable and they've taken and they can explain it. Looking like the W is kind of happening right now, by the way. Just realised, I'm just staring at it. I'm like, actually, this is interesting. Let's take a look at the 15. I don't really have time.
Yeah, the problem of that W is that
There's no bottom wick.
it's in the middle of the range.
Yeah, 100%.
So,
There's no
not that the support or the resistance is at the middle of that shit.
Yeah. Yeah. I like EJ for sells. Oh, the zone is disgusting.
GU gave you a nice entry, actually. Yeah. Pushed up and left an IC candle in the middle, 15 minutes. Then we came all the way down and it touched it, came a little bit below, and then pushed up almost 20 pips.
Oh, nice. Oh, do you know that guy I watched about OBs? He nearly had a trade. Can you see it here? Which one that it nearly hit, but it didn't? Look at this on GU. This one here. Look at that. Oh, that'd have been a stinker.
Yeah.
Look at that. Let's take a look on the lower time frames. If there's anything. Oh, I got so close.
Yeah, that was exactly like our Goldie yesterday.
Yep.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Dropped 200 pips.
I know.
Oh, piece of oh, no, I don't want to think about it. Oh.
Thing is, though, if I was on the chart, I think I would have just clicked. I would have clicked at least once. I would have like done two trades. But because I wasn't on the charts, oh man, you should have seen the meta trade after. Like, literally, my line was there. I'm like, you motherfucker. 1 pip, 2 pips. I would have made 200 pips from that bitch.
I think now I understand why I was so pissed off playing Warzone yesterday. Yeah, because usually I'm very chilled, but yesterday was like, I don't know, aggressive. Oh, that Goldie really messed up because it missed by yeah.
Let's take a look. Gold 30-minute salary for London Open. Gold 30-minute salary. Could be interesting. I think I'm going to leave it alone though because it's still this area. I got my nice trade and I got in much higher, right? Whereas if you're getting in at these levels, if you just pointed the arrows for every time you make a support there, it's quite a lot.
Many arrows.
Yeah. Let's take a look here. I like this style of trade. Is there any kind of playbook? Yeah, I mean, I haven't done a playbook in terms of it per se because I thought Brian and Sasha were going to do it, but yeah, I think I might make one maybe in the next year or so and bring it out like February or something or March. But in terms of actual content, it's all on a G drive. I just have to put it into like a playbook. But this is what you get given if you go to the if you come and join the mentorship. Which actually I'll have to update at the end of this week. But yeah, so we have homework to do. We do this once every 2 weeks, where we go through how to, we put our webinars in place to show you how to mark your charts up. What zones do you like? How would you be able to enter certain trades? So I take screenshots from random charts in the previous months or whatever, and then I go through the group. I get the group to analyze and put their support and resistances.
This next support.
So we always go through each individual one. And always get people to ask for support and where to put them and stuff like that. Just so you know, if you can't read a chart and where you'd want to take trades, and how are you going to take a trade anyway, right? So that's really good. And then obviously we have all the webinars. These are every single webinar you could possibly imagine. About psychology. So people ask about psychology, all in there. gambler mindset, so people just try and get out of the gambler mindset. Obviously, the gold 5-minute trendline strategy, all done in there. And yeah, loads of stuff about news, marking zones, just basic price action, even from the start, like what is a candle, you know, bullish candle, bearish candles, all our Forex entries. So all of our entries here, can you see here? Actually, I can show you here. The setups, which is here, all of these, we explain each individual one and why we take them and what's the best entry for them. And yeah,
Lots of content.
Forex entries here. This one's about like retest entries, how to, you know how we normally get in, sometimes getting the flips. Yeah, we don't really get the flips anymore. We're getting a lot of retests. But we always, this is about like, the zone stuff.
Pretty simple, they're beautiful, and they run.
I'm trying to find the might not be that one. Where's the other one? But anyway, yeah, loads of shit. And then obviously you go to here, and then there's GJ simulations, every simulation that we've ever done. In terms of it, February we missed, but in terms of like November, look at them all there, all annotated, so from start to finish, all with the percentage. So you can see here at the end of November, if you go here, you can see the percentage gain from doing this strategy and stuff like that. So you can see all that. And then obviously the gold one as well. So yeah, and then this is the daily schedule, how I kind of plan the day out. And yeah, that's all with the mentorship. And also you have the signals, access to the Zoom, access to the NY session, all for £50 a month. Fuck me, I don't know what else you want from me. Max, do you draw trend lines on the wick or the close? The wick. Can you see here the wick? Wick. And obviously the closure here. Sorry, on the 5-minute. Wick. Obviously didn't hit that wick there, but wick. And then wick there. Closure below. That was a beautiful trend line, man. Fuck me. For one for you, does Snapchat.
GJ is hoovering on a trend line now.
Look at them 5 minutes, man. Is this 8 o'clock as well? Man. Don't turn into NY session, please.
Well, if London isn't like this, we might have a good NY.
Maybe.
Oh, today's CPY as well. That's maybe why it's not doing anything now.
W forming on gold again. Gold W, yeah, the only issue for it. I suppose it's at that kind of support, but it's at the 4-hour support, I suppose. Interesting. Oh, where's it? Where's all the London streamers? What the fuck? No one else streaming? But they're slacking. Oh no, we got Oh, Phoenix. Is that a 5-minute? Oh, it's 5-minute GG. I was thinking, jeez. Oh wait, let's take a look at the gold. Oh my god, look at the gold. Look how close that is to ours. You got in much later on, but we got in there. Look at the 5-minute trend line. My guy's been watching, I'm telling you. My guy's been watching. He's actually doing really well recently. Shout out to Phoenix. Good lad. Let's see if I can say hi. Yeah, the reason why I'm fucking around, guys, is because at the moment there's nothing.
I'm gonna paper trade this GJ again if we close below.
Oh, I called the G. Yeah, I called GJ, but I didn't call freaking gold. This candle just started, man, move way too fast.
Wait, what are you gonna do? Where's the trend line, Manuel? Is it here? Down here? Oh, above?
Yeah. No, down there.
Look at that. It's got a lot of wicks though. Are you just holding this one?
Yeah, I have all the wicks down there, and I'm waiting for a break.
Yeah.
Because it's respected. On the back. You have 1, 2, and this is just current movement. So I'm just keeping them because it's current.
Oh,
It did not happen like 2 hours ago.
Yeah.
But I think 8 a.m. is gonna
Look at Goldie. Oh, no retracing on the 3. That's a bit annoying. On the W.
No, you had a retracement on the 1 minute.
You had what?
You had the 1 minute.
Did, yeah. Sure did.
But I still think we can get it on the 5. Maybe, but we are getting now to that candle, which interested me on the trend line.
Whoa, look at that push, man. Bloody beautiful, mate. Oh, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, the retracing might be quite far away now, eh? Could be right. The only issue now is there's a little bit of an OB there as well. Even though it's already trending, it's a little bit oof. Major gap fill 1 hour. Look at this GJ pushing up. I think did I say the zone above was alright? Oh, no, it's still not the best, is it? Yeah.
You're looking for a rejection on gold, guys, on the trend line now.
I don't know. I think it's a big push off that daily support. That's my only cause of concern. I think this is going to continue. Yeah. Wow. So the 1 minute there was the one. It's a bit annoying though. I mean, closure above there, retest there, stop loss below.
I got that.
You got it?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful, Paulie. Cracking work.
Only like small position, you know.
Doesn't matter.
But this trade, I just took profit there at the. I took it. That's what I took. I wasn't greedy. 30 pips, almost.
Not bad at all. Wow, beautiful. Buys with Asian high. What do you think about 4 hour buys with Asian highs? On gold. Is this on gold or GJ? Because if it's gold, it's a no, and if it's GJ, it's a maybe. Gold is a no, but why is it a no, right? If I wanted to take, if you say Asian buys above here, why is it a no? Well, just look at the hourly and then tell me why. You'd be buying into a res which has been held like 15 billion times. If you want a quick way to lose your money, probably do that. Look at GG, man. Hard. So yeah, in terms of later on, we've got the CPI, consumer price index, changing the price of goods and services based on purchased by customers. This is going to be interesting. Looking like it's continuing up. This will mean inflation still looking pretty bad. So this should be quite interesting today. Federal budget balance as well. What a rocket. Are you going to do buy stops, sell stops for CPI? Maybe, we'll see. Morning, Steve.
Morning.
How you doing? How's your car?
Fucked.
You fucking idiot. How did you do that?
I was driving down the drive with my iPad on the screen, trading away, and then there was an almighty bang.
You fucking...
And I realised I wasn't on the drive anymore.
Oh my god! Oh my god! My days.
And I've done a max and behaved like a woman, and I've got a man coming this afternoon to change the 2 tires.
You fucking, you hypocrite! That's hilarious.
It's a corner electric, and because it's detecting both tires have got no PSI, it won't move now.
Okay, it won't.
Currently sat in the hedge at the end of my drive.
That's great. That's great.
I won't mind, but I've just asked them if I can give them it back because it's a pile of shite. The range is down to 140 miles now.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's the cold weather.
Yeah. Well, it makes
It's not like a Tesla.
weather, yeah. I realised that the W formation works pretty well on gold lower time frame. Yeah, 100%. It was just very low there, 1 minute. But hey, still there, still worked. Still worked pretty well. Still worked pretty well. I'm up 80 pips for the month, so only looking for quality setups, not touching in the ranges. Very nice, very good stuff.
We have an ascendant trend line. We are coming to next.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
descendant. Sorry.
We don't just closed above it?
No. From the top.
Higher up, yeah.
Yeah, from all the way from the way.
One down there too. I already broke that one. Retesting it now. Retesting it now. That's not even that bad, Manuel.
Fuck, I didn't see that one.
Where would your stops be?
Below the previous.
I think I fucking missed it. I haven't been on the ball. Where the fuck has my phone gone? Oh shit. Below previous, would that be safe? Still look at the 3 minutes in that. 3 minutes got no top wick as well, closing in 50 seconds time. The only issue is this. It's got a 30-minute OB here as well. But the 5, I don't know. It looks interesting. Could just wait for the other one. But
Yeah,
anyway.
I just don't like this area. This one.
Yeah. 100%.
An OB max or an RC?
What?
Yeah.
On the 30, OB or RC?
On the 30, I mean, yeah, it's kind of, well, I mean, the 30 here, this is, that is the candle before. I was already kind of wicked into it, actually, it doesn't matter, it's nice, it's not an OB. Still look at the 5 then. Oh, looking like it's going to hold it. Looking like it's going to hold it. If that can continue, yeah, I mean, the zone, let's take a look, 2 minutes, 50 seconds left. 3 minute closed, bearish. I don't think it's a bad opportunity, I just don't think I had trust them stops. I think I'd have a little bit lower down, like there. Well, let's see, right, I missed the entry, but let's just do a paper trade, something like that. 3 minutes left. GJ, ugh. You're pretty sus. The only thing is, well, actually, with this one, is because now we wanted the retest here. It's a level for it to come and tap first, isn't it? That's another thing with it. EJ looking like it came down. 15-minute celery play there was actually not too bad, I don't think. That wasn't too bad. Yeah, and GJ just looking pretty awful, right? Just a little bit of a range, unfortunately. you gotta wait a little longer. Are you entering the buys? No, I'm just kind of papering it. I don't really like the stop. I don't think the stop's too safe. I mean, it's below support, but anyway. Minute left anyway, so if this 5 minute close below, then you'd be fucked. 15 minutes got a minute left as well. That's another thing as well. It's to close you to 5:15 very shortly. To make a lower wick. But let's see. So if you got in like there, because that would be at the trend line and the resistance there, so you stop loss there, 10 pips. Oh shit. Yeah, you'd probably go break even here, eh? See if it pushes. If it doesn't, great. If it does, also great. And there you go, you'd be out break even here, looks like.
Yeah, B.
Yeah. BE.
Had 4 pips.
That's not bad. Yeah, this 15's got to make a lower wick, man.
The Starbucks, mate.
You what?
It's the Starbucks.
That's a stop.
my small trade.
True.
I'm working up to Mickey D's, man.
Yeah, close below it. So definitely.
I'm getting cravings from McDonald's, mate. Don't know what to do.
Oh man, I'd love
Every now and again, it's like, you know what? It's the fucking adverts. Like I drive past the fucking adverts on the road, and it's like,
really, yeah.
You keep seeing them.
I don't really care too. Mine's just if I just think about the taste of like the fucking sausage muffin. Oh my god, sausage egg McMuffin or the hash brown. I'm like, oh lord, I don't need no advert to entice me to go. I just need my fucking belly to growl a little bit, and I'll be there.
Terrible.
USD and NZD bearish. Great to know. FX Forex signals live. Send me a signal, please. Some guys called FX Forex signals live. So yeah, still nothing on GJ, and gold is just messing around now. Big push up, filled that zone. Obviously the 1 minute was a nice W, but apart from that, look at the 1 minutes now. Oh, nasty. 50 minute has to make a bottom wick first. Retest
Bottom
entry
wick
maybe there.
Bottom wick might be retest of the W.
Yeah, it's quite far away, but 100% it could be.
Well, it can't come. It can come to the wick at 03 or 703. Only touch the wick.
Okay, so you said FX Forex signals live. You said sell your USD. Okay, I'm gonna take a sell here and see how it goes. Let's just see. Where would the stops be? FX Forex signals live. You also said NZD USD is sell. Let's see if you can get some stinking trades on some different pairs of here. Okay, also take a sell there. Let's see that in the next 20 minutes or so. I'll probably later on play a little bit of Call of Duty if I can. Actually, no, I've got. Depends how quick I do my tasks today. This Goldie coming down.
I've been playing the campaign maps.
Have you?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Like terrorists in London.
Is it? Oh, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Any cold weapons? Yeah, I haven't played it since that stream. Oh, that's quite cool. The campaign is like that then. Oh, is it like the terminal and stuff? Is it got the airport and that?
You started off somewhere against Russians, and we've ended up in London with terrorists blowing everybody up.
Would you say that that's a 5-minute OB? This one here? I mean, yeah, you could say. Look at the 3-minute as well. that would be the retest there, but I don't think it. I think it's maybe a little bit too far. Okay, 50-minute made the low wick, 50-minute flipped.
You got to be in it to win it.
These 3 minutes, these 1 minutes could be ugh. 88 likes already. Music, amazing. Is Champion Pips not fucking streaming either? Damn. Oh, Wally Baba FX. He is on.
Raj's the guy.
नहीं यहाँ पर मैं कोई भी अपने आप को ज्यादा होशियार ना समझे और प्लीज रिस्पेक्ट करें एक दूसरे की अजीजत ये कौन सा पेड़ है
Wally Baba FX. Let's take a look at more lives. So looking like gold. He's doing okay for the flip. Continue bullish maybe. I'm happy taking my move though from this area. I think the zone above isn't the cleanest here. So that other trend line might be a little bit easier above. Sorry, I don't know why this took it off, but it was there, by the way. So, Forex signals live. How do I manage risk if I lose this trade? Oh, sorry, this is the wrong one. It's Euro NZD. What am I about? Is it Euro NZD? Oh no, Euro USD. Yes, this is it.
Euro USD, yeah.
Goldie flipped, pushed. Yeah, just these resistances are a little bit meh. meh. XI Ping just told his army to prepare for war. Wait, what? Something Ping. Wait, who is that? Let me just see this. For war? More war? Lord have mercy. China war.
Oh yeah, I think it's Taiwan shit.
Oh my god, man. My god, must be ready for war. He's been saying that for a long time, yeah. Take profit 100 pips from both. Great FX Forex signal live, but where's my stop? Because that's more important, right? Why don't all leaders just jump into a COD lobby and squash their beef? Yeah, 100%, imagine.
Max, are we doing buy stops, sell stops later?
Maybe. Yeah, boy. I'll see. A bit of fun, eh? For CPI. Wow, this GJ's short. Does anyone actually? Let's take a look at that poll now, right? 44% of people said they're not profitable this week. 44% of people. That's not good. Yeah, for me now, this GJ is washed. I would pay to watch a Biden versus Putin show. I didn't have a single win this week. Oh, wow. Out of 5 trades. Oh, damn. Damn. I've taken so many trades this week. Four wins, 2 losses, 4 break evens. Max, what is your biggest drawdown ever since you started trading?
100%.
Well, yeah, it's just a couple of 100%ers, like, but biggest drawdown probably like 2 grand, 2.5 grand. It's not. It's because when I got profitable and when I actually started compounding, then I don't lose more than 1.4% really. But I think probably my worst loss was probably when I was at uni, when I fucking spunk my whole rent money or some shit. Look at that 50-minute. Oh my god. I'm 7-1 this week. Oh, very nice. Do you use a clean chart every day for TA? Trade analysis? Yeah. Oh yes. What's your daily target? Nothing. There's no daily target. Whatever it gives me. If you have a daily target, it really, really, really does not help, I'm telling you. Daily targets do not help. Five fucking trillion, quadrillion, billion. Goldie coming back down. Still got a level to come and tap down here, 1706. Are you still looking at that, Manuel?
What?
The W retest or not?
Yeah.
13 pip stop. That 5 minute before was so clean. Steve, did you take that 5 minute trend line before?
I took one at about 8 o'clock.
8 o'clock?
Yeah.
Bye-bye?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Did you use full lot on it yet or not?
Yeah.
No way.
I closed at 27.3 pips.
Oh. You missed a trend line before. I don't know where the fuck you were, but you looked really gorgeous here. 725.
I was up in the early hours.
30 pips. We got 10 pip stop. Oh.
I've seen the signals. Yeah. I went to bed at 4.
Oh my god. I went to bed last night at 9 o'clock reading my book. First time ever, really. Feeling reading a book and not just on my phone, so that was good. I just blame Max whenever I suffer drawdown and credit myself when I win. It has improved my trading psychology immensely. Oh god. So coming towards 8:30, as you can clearly see, GJ is doing nothing right now. So that's fine. Let's take a look at Goldie now. Is Goldie pushing back up again? Yeah, with the 3 minutes. Ugh. So does anyone have any other trades that they're maybe looking for or they're planning? Is any OBs high or low on both charts, or is the Jack
Got a higher time frame on GJ.
higher time frame one on GJ? What time frame?
4 hour, I think.
Oh yeah, up there, eh? Yeah, that's a nice one, eh? That's nice.
I'm already in it.
Oh, one from below. Oh, here. Yeah.
I took 43 pips TP1.
Very
it's
nice.
currently at 60 pips.
Very nice. You could actually minimize that quite a lot on the hourly as well, because you can actually just scroll it down to actually there. That candle was the change before the actual breaker structure there. Only issue for me is it already kind of did the retest there. But nice for the 4 hour. I like the let's take a look at the 30 and the 15 above. Yeah, kind of already wicked into it, unfortunately. Oh, that one hasn't though. Yeah, for me this GJ one here in the 15 is nice up there. 168184. I'll have that as a sell limit probably later on because that's on the 4 hour as well. Yeah.
My TP for you.
Hello, Adam.
Is that a 5-minute GJ order block on where it wicked at?
Where? Just now?
On the 5-minute, yeah, it just stops 166359.
So for me here, yeah, I don't really like that one. Why do I not like that one though? Let's take a look at the 3-minute. I mean, I suppose it is. You know, the candle changed before the push. Yeah, so yeah, it has to be one.
All right.
Yeah, and it held, right? That was quite nice. But I wouldn't say I wouldn't say that was a nicer one. I'd say it needs to be more support, but it's a minor one. An order block is the change. So this one here, right? It's the candle before the change of structure. Okay, so can you see that this candle was bullish?
Yeah.
The next candle was bearish, and we also broke support there. So therefore this level now is the order block.
So it would be where the price, it would be at the price where the volume kicked in, and then it's just collecting the money, liquidity.
Yeah. So there's clearly some orders here that I have to tap into again because it missed, because it hasn't came and retested. It taps it, and then normally you get a nice little drop, and that's kind of what happened here. Didn't tap it to the T, but it was pretty close. Take a look at the 3.
All right.
Yeah, it got very close, like 1 pip. Can you see the reaction of it? Price comes up, pretty much taps. Obviously, this is like one pip different, whatever. And then nukes back down. So they happen all the time. Max, what is your long-term goal, if you don't mind asking? I mean, 8 figures private jet, playing games while cashing in passive income. Yeah, I mean, just probably being happy, to be honest. I don't really, the money thing is, it's not. I've got a lot of money around me in terms of people anyway. I don't really get too worked up in it. The people that are thriving and wanting, oh, I want this and that and this and that, it's because they have nothing. But when they actually have something, then it's you focus on other things. I kind of want to just be healthy, and I want to be happy, and I want to have good relationships with people, really. Also depends on how you define a swing market. Yeah, that's true.
We'll know you've made it, Max, when you get a Dacia Duster.
People always do that, like, oh, private jet and stuff. But what you need to remember is, if you have a private jet, right? What are the things that could go? What are the things that you probably never think about if you're just not really thinking about life, right? So you have a private jet, okay, great. So you start inviting your friends, right? Because that's what you do, right? Oh, do you fancy going here? I've got a private jet. Great stuff. And then you'll start to realize that people start to message you more. Or why are they messaging you more than they were before? Is it because they like you more? Is it because they like doing that? Well, no, it probably isn't, is it? Because the direct correlation is you've got money and you've got a private jet, and they want to hang out with you more now because you can provide them with something. It's a fake relationship. I think the worst thing that could happen in life is a fake relationship. Or a relationship that's masked because you've got something that they want. That is the most painful thing. You can be thinking, oh, I'm happy on my private boat, but if you've got no friends, real friends that actually care, and it's a transactional relationship, that shit is boring. That shit is nasty. You won't be able to trust anyone. It's painful.
I'm gonna cry.
You're gonna cry. There we go. Beautiful. Well done. Forex signals live. So, but you didn't tell me where the stops were, so I kind of don't know how big were the stops. But good stuff now. Looking like it's pushing down. And unfortunately, society is full of fake. Yeah, but you just got to remember that. Like I remember I was with one of my mates a couple of weeks ago, sorry, and he was talking about, oh, imagine if we won the lottery. I go, yeah, you'd think it's all good and well, but just wait until it actually happens, and you actually realize that you've got no friends anymore because they're all just leeching off you. Like even certain situations which happen now, actually, which is annoying. When you go to dinner and stuff, and they're kind of like hinting, oh, Max pays more of the bill. Or, like, you know what I mean? Like, my friends don't do that, but I can see in some circumstances if I was with other people, you know, that probably would be the case. And oh, well, I'm only on 20 grand a year. It's like, yeah, I know, but so you know what I mean? Things don't. It's not as good when you're with a bunch of people who are all friends and they're all rich. Then that shit's good.
Yeah, but when you go out, you look like one of them fucking island boys.
Island boys.
With all your bling and diamonds and everything, you should be paying it all.
No, I don't. I don't wear bling on a night out. Hell no.
I'd pay good money to shoot one of them.
Well, have you seen what's happened to them now? Now they've failed because obviously, clearly, they weren't going in the right direction. They didn't have any talent, and now they've got no money. They've got no money. I don't mind having that problem. What you got to do is get to a certain point where you're comfortable, where I think, you know, you can go to the shop and buy something and it doesn't really affect you. That's okay, but that doesn't mean you have to be fucking money coming out of your ass. You just got to be, and then the other when you get it, you start thinking about other things like relationships and stuff. You don't see EJOB?
If you believe what you're saying, Max, you're quite wise for a fucking youngster.
Your boy.
When I was your age, I wasn't like that.
No,
I just wanted more.
100%. Well, I think it's just, and so did I. Maybe like first year uni, second year uni, but something clicked in third year uni, and yeah, just it's probably cat and weed, to be honest.
I missed my lad growing up.
What?
I missed my lad growing up because I was chasing the dough.
Yeah, exactly. Now you can't get it back, so it's just putting your priorities right and just sitting back and going, right, if I'm on my deathbed, what really matters? Or am I going to have my son there with us who you know, I've cared for? All the money's fucking useless anyway. I'm on my deathbed. So you got to always remember that. Everyone smoke Mash's stash. He's had enough of it. Mate, just... And generally, that mindset actually came from my mate Louis, one of my best friends that I met at uni. He is a very, very clever guy. Kind of put me in that mindset. He made me more left, made me a bit more reasonable, a bit more just on the ball. Let's take Undercover's. How big is this stop actually in this EJ? 17 pips. Interesting. Interesting. Should we paper it?
I'm not touching it, Jay.
Nah, I'm gonna paper it though. Right, so let's just see if we take a buy here. Let's see if we can minimize it actually on the lower time frames. There we go. We can actually minimize it much more. So the best entry would be probably on the bodies there. So what I normally do now is that, so I minimized it there. 1 second. Let's just put this to the main one. So this is the main stop. There. Sorry, this is the main OB. So right, this is OB. And then I have point of interest where I probably want to get in at that point. So we go here. You can see there. This is the change. To be fair, there's actually one below as well. Actually, there's two.
Yeah,
That's
you
probably
take
the bigger one below.
Yeah, what Ninja says is you take the one that's the lowest.
Yeah.
In this case, you take the one that's the lowest.
Right, shit. And then I need to actually change this because this is wrong. Make this like this, and then take this off like that. So then you'd probably want to get in on the white line. I got pretty close. I just heard that El Salvador's Bitcoin holdings were on FTX. Oh my god.
Oh, El Salvador with the Bitcoin. Oh my god. Oh, he invested so much money in it. Oh.
Every time it dipped, they bought more. Fucking retard.
Oh. How much is Bitcoin? 16,000. Oh my. He's gonna be killed for sure.
Yeah, this Bitcoin So look at this daily. Daily's pulled up, man. This is great for a top wick. Find some resistance forming and sell that bitch.
So as soon as I saw the news yesterday, when Binance would not buy FTX, oh my shit! No, daily might come until 17,000, maybe 17,700.
Yep. Oh yeah.
But actually, the strongest support is 18,694, because that previous move, if you look, it came all the way down and then pushed all the way up, making a fake out. And then if you put support at 18,754, for example, you see that support was respect because candles closed above it all the time. Wicked on it, but closed above it all the time.
Yeah.
And now we have many days which is closed above for fuckers more than a month.
So let's just say then you took your buy here. Stop loss below 13 pips.
Yeah.
And you're on the rockets. Gold reacted on the 1 minute and goes to trend lines. Take a look. Yeah, held it. Yeah, it's looking a bit cack now, isn't it? Look at the 5 minutes. Ugh.
Gold is disgusting at the moment.
Yeah.
If you push a new trend line to all those top wicks, it's rejecting it now.
Well, Phoenix is in a gold trade. Gold buy. Sorry, a gold sell. You're gonna be stuck in there for a while, maybe. Yeah, and GJ looks rangy. So yeah, I think I'm gonna probably leave it off over here, guys. Nothing really too much for me to look at. But really good work, beautiful. 2 trades taken this morning. Good W. So yeah, we'll start on the next thing. Simulation is going to be later on today as well. So yeah, thank you very much for coming on, guys. Peace out, Zumi. See you guys later.
Thanks, guys.
See
you
later, guys.
Thank you, Maxi.
Thank you, man.
Bye.
Later.
Peace out.
Bye.
See you later, guys. Peace out. Peace out.
Take care.
See you later, YouTube. Thank you so much for coming on. Take care. Adios, amigos.